Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Now today we show you the remainder of a video in which we would have accompanied Maskeet over 1 mile to his farm. So stick and stay for that, and please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified. Enjoy the video. Maskeet, how old you say you be again?
75.
75.
Yeah, me I tell you, that means me no wrong on that. Me born 1947.
Yeah.
July. But then change your born give me a August you know so.
Oh, so August you're born and not July?
Yeah, and July me da born, but I them go along with the sitting.
Oh Lord, and at this age you climb tree. Lord have mercy. Oh wow. Lord. Oh, so you want me to give you the stick?
Yes, not yet, not yet.
Okay. Jesus, the mosquitoes them down in this bush you know.
So what pick again?
Alright. Okay. One stick coming up. Okay. Got it? Oh God. Wow.
Oh, no, look at it. Look, see? Look at that one, see.
Oh Lord.
Eh?
Hold on. I'm gonna check it now. Oh boy. Maskeet, me no see that appear there.
But look there.
Where?
Go in front, go in front, go in front.
Go continue.
Yeah, go.
Oh, it mash up. I wonder if I right one me I look pan. Oh. Well, I see one.
You see more again?
Uh-huh.
Oh, kick him, man. Kick him.
One more.
Mosquito, them fight way off around here.
One left, you know, you can't carry another.
Where they? Oh, yeah, me can bring it. Woo, hoo, hoo. Okay. Thank you, mosquito.
One low.
Wow. They smell good too. Okay, so these two can boil together.
Yes.
Tell me the name of that one here again, mosquito.
Heel and draw.
Oh, so the heel and draw and the vervine can boil together for
Yeah.
cold.
Yes.
Okay. So which two you say not to supposed to mix now?
Hmm?
Which two you say we're not supposed to mix?
I say, you know, if you mix them here one with them here one. Here. Watch
Oh,
out.
the other ones that
No,
you
you have to
gave
take out this. You
me.
take out this. Take out this. Yeah.
Okay, so this is vervine. You
Them
put
they
it with
can boil to
this.
themselves.
Yes.
All of them you can boil to them with one another.
Okay, okay. You can combine them for
Yes.
cold.
The one they can combine for
Okay.
all of them they are cold bush.
Yes, and then you combine these.
Differently.
Yes. One, two, let's see. Oh, my next Sunday, all the way up, Peter. Oi.
Oh,
Oh, gotcha.
um,
Okay. This should do it. Smell good. Okay. So viewers and subscribers, as you know, we were at the field, but somehow it started raining really heavily and we had to leave. So now we're at Mosquito's home, right? We're going to finish up right here because the rain is falling heavily. All right, so Mosquito, talk to us about how long you've been doing farming.
well, right, you know. Me have to put it like this. I'm doing farming from 64.
From 64. 1964.
Yeah.
That's a long time. So how has it been? How you find farming? Because if you're doing it from 1964, I have to assume that you have a passion for farming.
Yes.
All right, so what are the challenges you see as it relates to farming?
Well, I love it.
Yes.
But you know, if farmer them don't get no support
Yes.
from government and a whole. For right, so the government don't look out for the farmer them. For them to them come to serve and protect.
Yes.
Farmer and them way there. And at the same time, me no see that I go down for the farmer.
Yes. So what would you like to see?
Well, I would like to see the government play a part in a farmer's behalf. That means them can stabilize your dollar and make we get dollar a pound US for the yam.
Yes.
And if fraction will leave over, like say the dollar go for $150.
Yes.
Right? If them take the $50, me no have a problem with that, but then make it remain as a dollar. That means we will get $10,000 100 for yam at all time.
Yes, yes, and that would have been more profitable to the farmers.
Yes, because at the same time, the farmer them could get to buy them fertilizer
Yes.
and send them pick me at school and give them woman a little donation that they can go buy food and buy a dress if they want.
Yes, so you
And
want...
the farmer can buy water boot and go and farm.
Yes, yes. So you're saying as it is now, based on what the yam is selling for, you don't really make anything after you buy fertilizer and pay for labor and so on. You don't make much from it.
You can hardly put on your pot on fire.
Yes, yes.
So it's like the Bible that say, many times near, we have to go work 10 times for hand and mouth. That's why that it come down to you now.
Yeah, yeah. It's hard. So Masky, talk to me about, because you were explaining something to me about a meeting that you had gone to some time ago. Talk to us about that.
Well, me usually go a meeting. And I see him plan me the depend with the dollar pound US.
Yeah, what type of meeting was it, by the way?
Eh?
What type of meeting was it?
It's a
Farmers meeting?
farmers meeting.
Oh,
a
okay.
group.
Yes, and what happened?
Well, it mash up. Me not go support it for two me talk about the yam on a dollar pound basis and me not get no support. So it wouldn't make no sense me a buy meeting.
Yes.
And I go talk over the same thing again and me not get no support.
Okay, so you left the meeting?
Yeah.
Okay, how long ago was that?
Well, I don't have a directly
Oh, it's a good while though.
It's a good while.
Yes, yes. Alright, Masky, so basically you don't want to see the yam selling for $1 US per pound.
Yes.
And you feel like that would settle a lot of the challenges that the farmers have?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So-
Alright, are you a part of a farmers association?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember me tell you that me have my farmer's ID, you know.
Yes,
Right.
from Rada.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So me have it in, that means I'm register. Right.
Oh.
But if man them not support me at the meeting, so for where that makes sense, me I go and meeting. And me I tell you say no. Me don't want certain things to go on.
Yes.
And if people them were in the meeting now agree to what me I say.
Yes.
Remember say what me I say no. And I say me I lobby for myself alone.
Yes.
Me I lobby for
On
all
behalf of...
farmers. Where they not, me not talk about where in the other world, me talk about where in Jamaica.
Yes.
Whether in Manchester or what have you.
Yes.
So long they plant yam like me. Or any crop at all. Right? Me da like if farmer them to get a good price for their product. That means that they can finance that a way out.
Yes.
And build a house who don't have any.
Yes.
Right? My one where they are so now, me still want some help. And
Yes.
see me have one down there so where if we get him fixed up, my daughter could have live down there.
Yes.
So me I tell him say if he do a thing and this like him not interested in that, so me don't know if he do.
Yes.
But
So what you think happened why the other farmers were not in support of your idea when you say you want a US dollar per pound for the yam?
I couldn't tell you. I
Yeah.
don't have no idea.
You
But
just-
me I put it to them at all time and no one
They
give me
not-
no support. Like then I say, if it then come and meet, then I say yes, it's a good plan you depend.
Yes.
So we are like the private sector.
Yes.
To see and see how we work out. But the government should have an inspector
Yes.
to check out the private sector them where them do for the farmer.
Yes.
But then can't have the farmer beat them so. But at the same time, the brother sings a reggae music I get big fight. Right? So me have to say now, I could have way farmer them do private sector make them hate the farmer so bad.
Oh Lord. Yeah.
The farmer must do them something. But
I
if-
don't feel like you're getting any support.
But alright, if the private sector them did interested in the farmer, they would have tried to give them a good price for the yam that the farmer them can keep up and support them.
Yes, but like you said before, Masky, there is power in unity. So, like if you don't have unity, then
You have no power.
yes, because you explained that earlier. You know.
So at that the combination, you know,
Yeah.
the unity is not there, right? For united we stand, divided we fall.
Yes.
Right. So we
absolutely.
don't. All right. At the same time, you know, we have bird have one feather, we should have flock together. Right?
Yes.
So with me now, you know, me take a note of the bird and enhance them, the insect.
Yes.
Right? For me never see the bird them hardly fight against them one another. For me no see clean go with blackbird. I mean to blackbird go with clean.
Yes.
I mean no see the guardian them go with the blackbird.
Yes.
Right? All of them stay to the color.
Yes.
And stick together.
They
and
kind.
we know why we can't stick together and unite.
Yeah.
The white people them, you know, they miserable against them one another, you know, but they unite.
Yeah. So you're saying it's lack of unity that causes us to be divided.
Yes.
And we cannot accomplish certain things,
Yes.
especially when it comes to farming. Right. So currently, how much per pound is it for yam?
Well, right, you know, it depends on up and down thing. For the last time, I say like yellow yam, what I say, a $13,000 a 100, you da go for. So that say, you da call it say 130, that's all.
Yes.
And the maca yam, that's all now, would I say, a 15 then say, and 13 same way.
Okay.
So would I say, $1.50. Same way this now.
Okay.
So, you know, they can stabilize.
Yeah. Yeah.
But with me now, me no directly love you run up and down. But I like to think, settle down this.
Yeah, at a price.
At
That's
a
why
price.
I mentioned wherever the US dollar is, that's where.
US, $1 US.
Yes.
Me a beg the private sector them. To give the farmer them $1 US. We not talk about the frac. Me don't know about the next people them.
Yes.
Me a talk about myself.
Yes.
Me not talk about the frac. We had a $50
Yes.
with the penny. If they can afford it and give, well, I wouldn't have a problem. But if they can afford it and give it $1,
Yes.
$10,000 at all times.
Okay.
And don't make it go further than this. So.
Yeah. You think you would be better able to manage yourself
Yes.
right there, so.
For at the same time, remember say, a bag of fertilizer now for $12,000. So you see, you have to go dig call it 150 yam. You buy a bag of fertilizer
Yes.
and can buy 1 pound of flour to put in your pot.
Yes, and it's hard because you mentioned earlier that the yam take a couple months, almost a year to come in.
Yes, 9 months and 7 months.
So for 9 months or 7 months, you would have to be able to sustain yourself with purchasing fertilizer and purchasing the other things like yam stick and getting labor and so on.
Alright.
Yeah.
For yam stick now at $8,000. And
$8,000 per 100.
Yeah.
Wow.
And some man now I sell it for 9,000.
Yes.
And in a old ground we soft like when I come from a while ago.
Yes.
A 4,000 for dig 100 yam hill. That's now.
Oh wow.
Pan new land. Like when we see bamboo cut down on this up on the top side this
Yes.
at $8,000.
Yes. So it's
So-
a lot of, it takes a lot of money to bring the ground to perfection.
100 yam hill and 100 tip.
Yes.
8,000 8,000 16,000 that in.
Yes.
Right this now. I'm bush chopping now in a heat. And if you buy spray, if you buy spray no in it.
Yes.
I just it thick and the hill dig. And you know jam yet.
Yes, and you have to weed the farm.
So, Albany yam a sell for $1,000. You know, yam no pay. Albany it a sell for $30,000. Yam no pay.
Yes.
For yam had too much work in a heat.
Yeah.
It take a loan.
So let me ask you a very important question though, because you outline all the challenges you have with farming. Why do you continue to farm?
No, but at the same time, you know how no other source where we go under
Yeah.
more under the source.
Yeah, no have no other way of earning an income.
No,
That's the
no.
way that you have to go.
That's the thing we can.
Yes.
Probably in a yam era,
Yes.
right? Who they are Manchester plant peas, Irish potato, all them things,
Yeah.
right? But me no like to go the Irish potato side.
Yes.
I had to take too much work.
Yes.
Although it come in easier. The easier me plant it, I'm more happy the fertilizer.
Yes.
A morning time I have to go wake up spray Irish potato and them. Me no have no time to do.
Yes. So I see why you would want it, the price to be stabilized, because at the end of the day, yam farming is what you really have to do.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Masquite. We
Yes,
hope.
and compound this now.
Yes.
Remember now, with me I talk about the community center. You
Right.
have no idea where the compound light, who you could have put forward to all that's who in the community. One did start out this already, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So one brother not tell me about it, but me tell him say we have to check the MP or the parish council and here if them could give me some help. But it start out there already, so we have to go to the people them.
What started?
The community center did start already.
Oh, you want a community center?
It start out already.
Oh, and we are in Hidden Trelawny, so you want help to start a community center up here?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
It start already, you know, so we don't go on a little material now if you work on it.
Okay.
With a fly or black or what have you.
Okay, so how far is it? How far is it? So it started, but you're saying it's not completed.
Yes, no. Funny, the foundation did set up already, like how you wall them so. Yes, they run right round.
Okay,
They
so
start black up already. Yes, funny, if people them know, they won the place.
yes.
But them buy already, them buy one square already. But it receipt now for the place. Somebody they have ya and they miss up it. And we not get it, and we are trying to get it back, but the man may have be dead.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you know that they work out back, you know.
Okay. Okay, well, we hope that somebody watching, somebody who is in the right position, good in terms of representation, will see and will hear your plea on everything in terms of the community center that you're talking about and in terms of the yam price. Because I see that's a cry of every farmer. They want the yam price to be stabilized or the yam to be selling for something that's substantial. So at the end of the day, they can see what they work for.
Yeah.
Yes.
But that's a thing we talking of. You have enough people, but sure then say, when you're poor, you talk where you have poor. And when you're rich, when you talk fool, you're rich.
Okay, I get what you mean, Masquite. Yes. All right, so Masquite, thank you so much.
Yes, Maggie.
Thank you for accommodating us today.
Yes.
You are a very hard worker, because viewers and subscribers, can I tell you that we walked about a mile to Masquite's farm and a mile back, and I was dying by the time I was coming back. It's really treacherous, it's really hard. So it's hard work that you do. So we thank you again for accommodating us.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I hope that everything work out for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right, blessed love. Until next time, viewers and subscribers, we see you. Take care.
All right. Yeah.